If you take watermelon seeds and boil them, then you will see the results. But did you know that watermelon seeds are a rich source of fatty acids, proteins, vitamins and minerals? Try the following recipe and enjoy the health benefits of it. Here's the recipe. You will need 20-30 watermelon seeds. Grind them. Then, add the watermelon seeds in 2 liters of water and boil them for 15 minutes. This amount would be enough for 2 days. Consume them for 2 days and make a pause on the 3rd day. Repeat the procedure for several weeks, but make sure you do pauses every 3rd day. Chew them before swallowing them. You can also bake them. What are the health benefits of this natural remedy? 1. Protect your heart health. The watermelon seeds contain magnesium, which is an essential element when it comes to normal functioning of the heart and blood vessels. They also contain arginine, a compound which prevents narrowing of blood vessels. 2. Prevent premature aging. Watermelon seeds have potent antioxidant properties which improve the quality and elasticity of your skin by restoring collagen in your skin naturally. Try this recipe and keep your skin youthful and smooth. 3. Treat acne. Dip a cotton bud in watermelon seed oil. Apply it on your face to treat acne, clean dirt and dead skin cells. This oil works for all skin types. 4. Strengthen and thicken hair. These seeds contain amino acid, which strengthen your hair naturally. Moreover, roasted watermelon seeds make your hair shinier. Copper produces melanin, and watermelon seeds are loaded with this mineral. 5. Treat itchy scalp. Watermelon seed oil has mild texture, so it is absorbed easily. Use the oil to treat dry, itchy scalp, and get rid of dandruff. 6. Prevent hair damage and brittle nails. These seeds contain fatty acids. Use them to restore your damaged hair or prevent further hair damage. The protein found in watermelon seeds keep your nails healthy and strong. 7. Boost your immune system. We are not done with numbering the health benefits of watermelon seeds. They are a rich source of magnesium, which is important for keeping your immune system strong. Magnesium deficiency can cause muscle spasms, heart diseases and diabetes. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.